All right, guys, it's me, El Marie, again. Dog for her birthday or Christmas. Her birthday is December 18th, and Christmas is on the 25th. Wait, hold on. I feel some heavy breathing. What's going on?
Hi.
I actually decided to come here today to check on a dog for her, to see about adopting a pet, or really to add on the responsibility for myself, because I'm going to be the one taking care of the puppy. But I think she's willing to do so. And in order to do so, what did Mommy ask you to do?
To do a report about dogs and the responsibilities of having a dog.
You think you can be responsible to have a dog?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
Wow. We're going to go by the ones with a small one. We can't do it. Whoa. Can't do those. Oh. Down there. Let's go by the small ones. Mommy can't do big ones. Thank you.
Look, she's happy.
Look, go ahead.
This one doesn't have any teeth.
Oh, look at you.
She's so small.
I know. And she cold. Be careful.
She's really that small.
She is small. Hi. Hi. Maybe a new addition to the family. All right. All right, that's enough. Hey son, I was curious, do you think getting Penny for your sister Janaya's birthday for her making 11 years old would be a great idea?
Yes, I think getting Penny for Janiyah would be an amazing idea. I feel like she's very responsible and she deserves the dog.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is it a go, guys?
Yes.
Yes.